Keith Interiors here. We are a design company. We deal in project management, construction, and interior design fit-outs. Our areas of specialization is residentials, commercial, hospitality, and retail. Our main process is site visits, design, billing, and then implementation after the client's approval. Why us? Because we come in with a passion. And secondly, we want our clients to get the best. And thirdly, because we are the best in the industry. In the event you want to inquire, kindly reach us through the details on the screen below.